Okay, this is the repair of a model 410T Lenovo ThinkPad. I'm not a computer expert, but I play one on TV. You first turn it off, take out the battery. Then there are screws hidden underneath the little tab here and here. So you remove those and you'll expose two screws and two screws. So you release those and then you pry this front piece away from the computer with great ease. You can work it around and it'll pop out. So you gently remove it, set it aside. The monitor is held in with another couple of screws in the corners, which you'll take out and be sure to put in a safe place. Very gently lay the monitor down, pull out the cable as such, set it aside, put in the new, plug it in carefully as such. There are two brackets on each side and they need to be, they're screwed on. So you take them off the old, put them onto the new. It goes back up in there as such, like that. We then replace the screws, put this back on and replace the screws, and you're done. It's as simple as that. It's about a 20-minute project. Again, I'm not a computer expert, but I play one on TV. Have a good day.